Hello, today we're going to be talking about the Norski Norstik Epoxy Glue range. As always, begin with a Norski measuring kit. It ensures precise measurements and safe handling. Mix the products together with an ice cream stick supplied in the measuring kit. Recall that this product is a 1-to-1 mix product, meaning that we'll be mixing equal parts base and hardener. Keep mixing it until you have this white-like paste color. Now your epoxy glue is ready for application. Now you want to use your stick again to apply the glue liberally to the items that you want to bond together. This can include, but is not limited to, concrete, metal, and wood. Norski's epoxy glue range is broken up into 3 products: the Norstik Epoxy Glue, Norstik Epoxy 5-minute glue, and Norski 2-to-1 high strength epoxy glue. Now, they are all high quality products made in New Zealand and are non-toxic when cured while sticking to almost anything. Today we have used the Norstik Epoxy Glue to demonstrate how to use this line of products. Norstik Epoxy Glue sits in between the high strength and the fast acting epoxy glue. But like all epoxies, it sits incredibly hard and will cure to just about anything. This product will take a few hours to cure fully. It is a marine grade and a structurally adhesive clear gap filling. It is a high strength, non-shrinking and even waterproof. It can even stick broken masonry back together, which you will see soon. Now allow 8 hours for the product to cure. For high strength Norski epoxy glue, you'll be waiting for a full 24 hours. As you can see here, our timber and metal is bonded together, as well as our broken masonry. Any cracks that you find within this masonry can be filled in with our Norski epoxy mortar. Available in a range of sizes to suit any project. Want to give this a go? Just ask in the paint department of your local Mud 10 or Bunnings. They're happy to help you get started. Norski, proudly made in New Zealand.